Hi everyone, and welcome to Kathy's Kitchen 23, and I'll explain in another video what 23 means. But this is my official start to doing a video vlog about Tastefully Simple and my journey and how we use it on a daily basis in my kitchen. So today what I'm going to share with you is a box called filled with recipes and tastefully simple products that have all sorts of great ideas for keeping your life low carb, high protein, and just kind of feeling good. And they're calling this the Tastefully Simple 14-Day Reset. And we're going to do an unboxing of these products. So this came in the mail, obviously right here in my beautiful box right here from Tastefully Simple. And let's see what's in here. Let's dive right on in. So the first thing that you get when you open it up is a beautiful letter. I do like this. It's a nice color. And it says 14-day reset beta. So beta means that it's they're starting it. It's brand new and they're still trying to figure out all the different kinks and everything by Tastefully Simple. And it says, congrats on choosing Tastefully Simple's 14-day reset. We're excited for you to participate and give some feedback. So a couple of things that they're offering to us. We have a Facebook group. What we can expect in this box that they're having here is breakfast for one, lunch for one, dinner for 5 to 6, and snacks for one. Tips for success, letting me know how to stay hydrated. And this is what I really like about this, making a plan for after the reset. So often you go on a diet and then the diet time is over and you don't know where to go from there. So this is really kind of cool. It's giving me some ideas on what to do next. So also here is a 14-day beta reset. 14-day reset beta calendar, and it's a meal plan for 14 days from breakfasts, snacks, and dinners, and lunch too. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and 2 snacks a day, which to me, I don't know about you, but I get that hunger right around 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. or actually probably closer to 2 or 3. But this is kind of cool. And then underneath here, okay, so this is probably my favorite part, a grocery list. Everything that you need to have in your refrigerator, pantry, what have you, per week. So first week grocery list, and following that, how to get yourself ready. It's called week 1 prep, and you've all seen different things about meal prep and how important meal prep is, especially like on a Sunday, so that way you're not scrambling, always looking for what's for dinner tonight, or oh gosh, I gotta go home and cook that. So it's kind of giving yourself a step ahead of life, and if you're busy like me, it's kind of important. And then, oh, even ideas on what to make ahead so you're ready to go too. Again, more meal prep help. And then each day is broken down by what you eat for breakfast, what you eat for a snack, what you eat for lunch, and what you eat for dinner, with some really nice photography of each meal to give you that idea. I can tell you also on the Facebook group that I've been a part of, they're giving some great suggestions on swappables, if I call them swappables. So I better market that term. But swappables, so let's say you can't do dairy, what can you do? You don't like shrimp, what can you do? And then what I do like also here is the daily totals. It's giving you exactly, based on this menu, how many calories you'll be taking in, how much fat, how much cholesterol, how much sodium, carbs, fiber, sugar, down to the protein. And so I really think that's fantastic that they're giving you that idea. So you're really keeping an idea and tracking what you're doing. Now let's get into the nitty gritty. What Tastefully Simple products are actually in this box? Well, let me tell you. So immediately I see 2 bags of the strawberry and cream protein crisps. Yummo. I've had them, tried them, did the research. 2 bags of pizza protein crisps. Very good also. Oh my gosh, all my kids love this one. I have to hide this one from them. Smoky Ranch Sunflower Kernels. And these are my husband's favorite. Again, we did some research for you. The white cheddar cheese crisps. And there are 3 of these right in there. Okay, also in the box, kind of a little toy, if you will, a spice grinder. So if you are someone who does not like a coarse ground spice, specifically I'm thinking of like when I make my dressings using our citrus herb seasoning, I don't want to be crunching down on a spice. I'd rather have it as a mix-in. This is a great way to make your spice more fine or more coarse, and you can adjust it right there. That's awesome. So that's part of your little kit here too. Now, what seasonings do we got in here? We have Simply Salsa Mix, which is basically dehydrated vegetables. And I'm telling you right now, the dehydrated vegetables are amazing in eggs because they just, when you start to whip up your eggs, they rehydrate. Oh, it's so good. We have Spinach and Herb. I already mentioned this one. Citrus herb seasoning. Again, basically dehydrated vegetables going on here with a little bit of orange and lemon peel. Gives it a little extra flavor there. We have one of my personal favorites, rustic herb seasoning. Really good with the thyme, the basil, the thyme and the rosemary that really go into this, and it makes it feel like Thanksgiving almost. Classic garlic. Again, this is a good one if you don't like a chunky garlic and you want to make it more fine. Good way to use that spice grinder. Ultimate steak seasoning, which the name is deceiving. I'm telling you right now, because that name talks about steak in it, but I use it more often, honestly, on my vegetables. So it's a great way to add that flavor to your vegetables. We've got onion seasoning. And if you don't know, onion seasoning is a blend of onion, shallots, chives, and leeks. Really great way to add a punch of different flavor dimensions to whatever you're cooking. All right, and then we've got some things that are wrapped up in bubble wrap. So you're gonna have to give me a second here to unwrap the goodness. We have our aged balsamic vinegar of Modena. And when it says Modena, it actually means it's from Modena, Italy. And we also have in here our avocado oil. If you don't know, avocado oil has a ton of healthy fat benefits. And I say fat as a bonus. It's a good thing because some fats are good for you. Some fats are not good for you. Avocado oil has all the good fats. And then finally, one more, it looks like avocado oil in here. And they do that because you're going to be sauteing, you're going to be making your own salad dressings, which I'll tell you what, the salad dressings using avocado oil, aged balsamic vinegar, and where'd she go? Citrus herb. These three make the most incredible salad dressing. And that's it. So I should be starting my journey on Monday, next Monday. So that would be June 3rd, 2019. And I will keep you posted on how we're doing. I'm going to be very honest. I have some family and some exciting things that happen. I have a birthday in the middle of that. And I also have to recognize that I give myself grace and I give myself my life to live. But the beauty of this reset, it resets your body, but my personal favorite thing is it resets my mind and it makes me think better about my healthy choices. Let's say I'm out at a restaurant for a birthday party. Well, I could go with the really big fatty burger with the big pretzel bun, or I could get a turkey burger wrapped in lettuce. And it gives me those ideas on how to adapt my eating habits for a healthy lifestyle, but also make that healthy lifestyle real and given grace. So that's Kathy's Kitchen with the 14-day reset unboxing. I hope you have a wonderful day. Go ahead and subscribe below. Give me a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to, I'd love it if you share it and we can kind of all share this journey together with friends and family. Bye, everyone.